back to the channel once again. Back on the 2007 Toyota Tundra, second generation Tundra. If you're here, I'm going to show you guys how to install tow mirrors. If you're wanting to do tow mirrors, they look way more aesthetic and again, way more masculine. So, and functional, of course, if you're going to use the Tundra for towing. Maybe towing your toy haulers. I got a lot of toys, so if you're going to be towing a car or a boat, it's nice to have. My Tundra, for some weird reason, came with one tow mirror and then one non. I think the previous owner installed one because he towed, or she towed, whatever. They towed, but they didn't do it on both sides. So I want to do both sides. So I got a box right here. I thought they were OEM, but they're not OEM. They're OEM-like tow mirrors. So let's go ahead and open the box. I'll show you the two mirrors that I got, and we'll do both sides. Even though I already have one on the car, on the passenger side, I want to have matching, so a new one on both sides, because these are new products. So let me open up the box real quick. So these are the tow mirrors. They're not power folding, but they do have really, really cool LEDs that light up, and I believe that they're temperature controlled so they don't freeze over. They do slide back and forth here, and then it does come with the bolts. So now that we have these out, let's go to the truck and I'm showing you guys how to remove the OEM mirror. Okay, so there's a current tow mirror. Pretty nice, pretty good, pretty aesthetic. And then here is the current OEM one, which I really, really don't like. Just doesn't look very masculine. It's not very sporty enough for me. And then this looks really, really beefy. So what we're gonna do is pop this one off. So what you gotta do is open up the door. Let's open up the door. Come inside here, and we're gonna remove this little guy right here, and then you're gonna pop this guy out right here. So let's go ahead and get a little tool to do that. Flathead screwdriver works the best. Okay, so far we moved a Phillips head that was right here, the Phillips head that was right there. Once you get those off, set those aside, don't lose those. I like to put them on the floor mat right here so you don't lose those. Okay, now that you have that off, what you're gonna wanna do is, this is so cool here. You're gonna wanna come over here, there's a Phillips head right down there. So let's do that one next. Phillips head, easy. Okay, and then all you gotta do is look right here, you gotta pull on this. So again, I used my flathead, pushed right here, pried, pulled, and it came loose, and this pops right out. You're gonna be able to see the top mirror bracket, so top one right here, and you're gonna be able to see the OEM wire harness. Now we've got some good progress going, so let's keep on going. Once you've gotten to this stage, come back here, put your little flathead screwdriver or a little plastic ply tool, push right here and pull out. It'll pop these out. Start pulling out the side, come down below. And then what I want you to do is to lift up on the actual plastic door. Don't pull straight out, because the door actually sits on the sheet metal here. So don't pull it out, you can break it. Lift up and then out. Okay, you're gonna have to do the little lower light. There's a little button there. You just push on it, unclicks. Then what you want to do is turn your door sideways like this. It'll be able to move free. Hold it up with one hand, and then you're gonna want to release the window switches clips right there. The two door handle clips are very simple. They just slide out. Just turn them and they slide out. So you just rotate them towards the front of the car and they pop out. Now this one, you're gonna have to push down that clip way down there, and it's the easiest way to do is to turn the door sideways, and you'll find the little clip push. So once you get the door like this, it's not hard to do this, but this guy right here is difficult to get out. You really want to push on this. The only release button that really is on this thing is this little tooth right here, and it's kind of a pain, and it's on the inside, and you have to push this down. So take a flathead screwdriver and push it down on it, and just really wiggle with it. It's not easy. It's not nice. They did a bad design with that one. That being said, you got the three probably 10mm bolts exposed. Let's go ahead and unplug this first. So let's see here, little guy underneath there, unplug, push, unplug. Now we're ready to wiggle out the OEM one. So let's do that now. Once you've done that, just wiggle. There is this little plastic retainer clip here, but just pull on it towards you and it'll pop right off. I do recommend cleaning this, and then we'll go get the new tow mirror. Okay, so did clean a little bit here, so make sure you guys get it all clean. It was way worse. Clean that all up. We'll go get, I have the tow mirror right there. We're gonna go ahead and put the tow mirror in, slide it in right here. We will leave this little OEM grommet, see if that works. Okay, so the mirror is officially on. Beautiful. I do recommend coming from the back side if you're doing it by yourself, holding it on this side. I put one 10mm on, and then I'm still spinning the other two on. It will hold by itself with the top one on there. So do that. Let's tighten all three of these 10mm. I did use the OEM 10mm, but they did provide us with new ones on the nuts. So let's go ahead and put the OEM clip into the aftermarket. It looks like it'll just go like that, and perfect clip. Before we start, let's grab the car key and make sure that works. And then I'll clean all this too. Okay, there's the mirror. We're gonna turn it over to the left and see if it works. It does work. So you guys can see it's moving, perfect. Awesome. So we're in business, that's all good. Another thing that we should check to see if the lights are on, if this guy lights up here. So let's turn the lights on over here. We'll do one click. And there we go, perfect. That looks awesome. So I was actually thinking about smoking those, but I have orange amber right there, and then I have orange amber right here, and then orange amber right there. So I might leave it, but I might go all white soon, or smoked and then the white. I think that looks good. Okay, we now clean the door, looks way better. Let's go get the OEM door panel and slide it back on, and we'll have this one done. Okay, so make sure you plug in the window switches. Make sure you plug in the courtesy light or the door light. I did switch mine over to LED, much more aesthetic. So I did do that mod too. So I do have a new LED there instead of the incandescent or the yellow. Put the Phillips head back in there, Phillips head back in there, plastic Phillips head in there, and then we'll put the cap back on and we'll be done with the driver's side. It is definitely a cold December day. That's why I got a truck. I mean, it's a perfect reason to get a truck. Okay, so we've gotten that done now. I think the tow mirrors, matching tow mirrors look awesome. Really good. Looks awesome. Awesome. We got the tow mirror with the LED, looks cool. I kind of wish I would have smoked that, but whatever. Maybe I'll do it in another video. Probably not, but maybe. Smoking it would look really good in my opinion. We're gonna do a bonus clip here. So this is gonna be the tow mirror, how to install, and then I got the little LED right there. If you guys actually want this LED, I'll have it listed on my website, MITSUBISHI.com, so if you guys do want that. Now what we're gonna do for the bonus clip is we're gonna move this Weston foot rail. I don't like it, it's very unaesthetic. Actually I hate it a lot. It's like my least favorite part about the Tundra is that. So let's go ahead and pull that off now. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So the Tundra's pretty cool. I think a lot of them come with these existing little brackets right here. You can actually just remove the chrome part and then leave 1, 2, 3 bracket if you wanted to swap them out. Right now, I haven't ordered any ones. I'm really indecisive what I'm gonna do for the rail. So I think it just looked a lot more sporty without it. That was one of the first comments I got when I bought my truck was, hey, get rid of these. So let's do it right now. I believe it's a 14 millimeter. Let's go underneath right here and break them loose. So for some weird reason, these bolts were 13s. I don't know why. Why is there 13s? There should be like a 12, a 10, or 14. I don't know what the 13 is. So I got one off right here. It's kind of wiggly. Pretty simple. And then we're gonna do these two right here and drop this ugly rail. All right, so bonus clip complete. 6 13 millimeters, very random bolts to drop this ugly thing. Let's just run the truck without it. It's way more sporty. The truck is like a big version of Marty McFly's Toyota Tacoma or T100, whatever it is, in Back to the Future. I love that truck. I don't know if you guys remember that movie. It looks awesome. I do want to do like 2 millimeter spacers and then paint the wheels black and then do a lift kit of 3 inches. And I think the truck will look amazing that way. Loving the headlights, loving the build, looks so much more better, so much more aggressive and better without that yucky silver chrome thing. All right, let's now hit the passenger side. We're doing a good job of deleting the chrome. It's just gonna be a while. I'm just going after it. I do want a new bumper. That one's gonna be hard. I'll have to buy probably a whole new bumper. I've seen people powder coat it. And then I really want to do the black wheels. This will make a big difference. So this is going to be, just take a look at this, and the new tow mirrors, which you guys came for the video, look awesome. And then deleting those look way better. Just like that, no more rail. So 6 13 millimeter bolts. I also did do the LED on this side, just like I showed you guys right here. Beautiful, looks really good. Those are on my website. Tow mirror on this side too. So now I have matching tow mirrors, same process on this side. Wow, that looks way more sporty of a truck. It actually makes it look more lifted, in my opinion. Yeah, way more lifted. It's not lifted, but it looks higher off the ground because of that. So hope you guys enjoying these truck videos. It's freezing. This is awesome. I love this project. I'm really enjoying it. Make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. Got more CELICA stuff, more MR2 stuff. lot more truck stuff coming soon. Like, subscribe, see you guys on the next video.